Selena Gomez net worth. Selena Gomez is an American actress, singer and songwriter who has a net worth of $45 million. Selena Gomez accumulated her net worth through her singing, songwriting, and acting career that began in 2002. She was born in Grand Prairie, Texas on July 22, 1992. One of her earliest television roles was on the show Barney and Friends from 2002 to 2004. Selena played the role of Jaya on Barney and appeared in 14 episodes. Her breakout TV role was the show Wizards of Waverly Place, which aired 106 episodes from 2007 to 2012. Wizards also released 2 movies. For her work on Wizards of Waverly Place, Selena was paid $30,000 per episode. She pursued a career in music by forming the group Selena Gomez and the Scene. Her active music and acting career have helped her amass a fortune pegged at $5.5 million. Throughout her entire career, Gomez has sold around 18.1 million singles and 2.8 million albums.